What's up, guys? It's your girl Star, and we are back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a mukbang of noodles. So let's get into the video.
You're under quarantine, pay very close attention. We remember one, keep your mask and brace and dash sheet on at all times. We remember two, do not touch or drink any water that's contaminated. Symptoms include heavy breathing and lightheadedness. If you notice anybody with these symptoms, you must with them immediately.
Anyone feel lightheaded? My head is very light.
I'm watching this video.
Yeah, I'm right here, just like we said. Hey, you want to go right now? You go right now? Let's go. I'm cool, man. This boy's right up there. Oh, no. I gotta fight him right now. We got beef right now. I gotta fight him first. No, hey, we gonna settle this beef right now. You want to beat your ass and beat his ass? Nah, he's so. No. I'm good. That's my Uber right there. Okay. He's in the bushes. Okay, cool. You did almost over that same trick we already did? No.
Mookie! This is my dog, y'all. Don't let her eat this. No, Mookie. Dang, you all up in my camera. Dang, that girl. Why you got her on the table? Stop. Yeah. Come on, boo boo. Put her down.
He's huge. Shots fired. Shots fired. Hey.
Okay. It's okay. Don't do it like that. You were staying more. Period.
Why she get kisses and I get handshakes? Because she's my friend. Well, how do I get to be your friend? No, there's levels to it. All right, first you get the handshake, then you move up, then you get the hug, then you move up again, and you get the kiss. You feel me? So how do I get kisses then? I buy you food first. Why get hang-outs now? And now you acquaintance. Devotion. That was a great idea for this new program. Yeah, I'm listening. It's on fire to sell. People won't buy that. Be real. Because that's what we before. That shit sounds like straight, not crack. Alright? Just tell the joke. I'm not fucking nigga. my new clothing line, so you start up in it.
That's my idea. It's me on the shirt.
This is totally different.
Bruh, that's me.
It's plain, right? $40. Yeah. I'm hollering at y'all niggas.
You guys not discussing the same match? Yeah. Yo, keep whispering, man. Huh? I can hear you, man. Huh? Soften your throat. The fuck, man? It's the last time I'm telling you, man. Lower your fucking decibels, man. Yo, who the fuck is riding in pink, man? That's the loud with the starting, dog. Through the fucking ground. You riding heavy, man. You dead ass, man. The fuck are you thinking? Huh? I can hear you fucking talk. Your talk is mad loud, baby. Shut that the fuck up.
Hey, yo, Big Storm. What's up? What's up with all that shit you was saying earlier? Still talking, bitch. Hey.
No.
Hey.
Not so much. I don't want a video. Really, Paul?
Bruh. I'm excited.
Oh, don't do it. Don't do it. Another something.
Two from us back. Finish.
When it comes to the phone, your screen is not cracked. Turn it down.
The back was gone.
Hey, what up, bitch? I ain't seen shit. Yeah. Hey, why you got my name in bitch, man?
Hi.
What crap you gonna say?
Huh? Say what?
What's up, buddy? Buddy got what?
Take my girl Brittany.
The girl,
Can't do that.
really?
You saying them nasty.
Still was going for. Grown. That's all I'm saying. Yeah, that's
Just hold on. Just hold on.
Hey guys, what's up? Wait. Yo!
And John. That's gonna hurt.
What?
Cause of the legs.
I made that little bird.
I will find you, and I will kill you.
It's your noodle.
Go get her. Go get her.
It's your noodle to your mukbang.
Quiet. Go get her. What's wrong?
What's up? Nothing.
Matrix.
Man, get out my face with that. Get out my face. Don't fix it. Fuck that shit. Don't fix it.
Look how that's perfect. Look at that flip phone.
I love him.
He got tased. Looks like Pops.
Got my niggas in pairs. And they going gorillas. West side, what we got? Come on, guys. 2015.
Alright guys, that'll be it for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification, and comment down below. And this year I will be giving out some gift cards. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And one of y'all might be lucky. So make sure y'all stay tuned and subscribe so y'all won't miss any more videos. I'm sorry that I haven't been posting lately. It's because of school. But now we are out of school heading into the summer. It's almost my birthday, so stay tuned for the birthday party. Peace.